receive a certificate and a $5,000. 5,000 pesos. Yan!
So, kasi ka na, may cash ka pa.
Nag-enjoy ka na pag uwi mo, may pambili ka ng buya.
Yes.
Alright, our champion for this year's Zumba competitions in Barangay Santa Juliana with a gallery score of 94%.
Who will be the first champion for the very first marathon?
History, no? Part of
History.
history. Yan. Our champion